with
Cold.
50s as highs and 30s as low. It's crazy time of year.
It's the season of change. And again, you know, we've got a primary severe weather season in the spring, which is when we're going from winter to summer. And then when we're going from summer to winter, that happens to be fall, which is our secondary severe weather.
Makes right sense. Now, season number 2.
Absolutely. And when we have those wild temperature swings, things get out of whack. We get bad storms like what we saw just a couple weeks ago. And here have been the streaks of our high temperatures. Now, the red indicates above average high temperatures. The blue is below average high temperatures. And as you can see, it's been very streaky. You can see from Halloween all the way to that Friday, we were well above average. But that's when the front moved through, and that's when we saw the severe weather. Look at the difference in these high temperatures here. We went from 82 to 65, which is a pretty drastic drop. But over the last few days, we've been on a colder than average streak. And this is forecasted to continue at least the next several days and could continue longer when that data starts to come in for Thanksgiving week, which we have some right now. We'll talk about it here in just a second. Let's talk about now. Mostly cloudy skies in Longview. This will continue to be the case over the next few hours. As a result, those temperatures have held somewhat steady. We are in the upper 30s across our northern counties right now. Mineola is at 37. As we look further off to the south, Tyler Pounds Airport's at 39. It's 38 in Overton. We're at 43 in Henderson. Knack is at 42. It's 38 in Appleby. And then as you move further off to the south, there's no drastic drop in those temperatures just because it's just been mostly cloudy. And those clouds tonight are going to kind of act like a blanket for us and keep us slightly warmer than if the skies were clear. But you factor in the wind chill, it will feel much colder than it actually is. You can see those temperatures in the feels like values are in the low to middle 30s right now, and that will continue to be the case. So while our low's 36, it could very well feel like 31 or 32 when you wake up tomorrow morning, given the fact that we'll have a north wind at about 10 miles per hour. Now, as we head into tomorrow afternoon, I expect a few breaks in the clouds, and that should warm us back into the lower 50s. And here's the reason why. Area of high pressure continues to build off to the south and to the southeast, and the storm system that gave us the rain yesterday continues to slide off to the northeast. You can see a lot of snow up in parts of the Rust Belt and sections of the northeastern United States. So we'll continue to watch that storm system exit, and the Lone Star State will just be dealing with a few passing clouds starting tomorrow afternoon. What does that mean over the next 6 to 10 days? Well, by the middle part of next week, which is what this precipitation outlook is valid for, we should see another storm system move into the area. From a temperature standpoint, looks like our highs should be in the 50s and 60s. Of course, next week, very important to a lot of people traveling as well. So what does that mean for your Thanksgiving day? Still a lot of model data to come in, so this is not set in stone. This will change prior to Thanksgiving arriving 9 days from today. Those afternoon high temperatures should remain in the 60s, and then we could see some morning showers. Now, the timing of this could range. I mean, we could see showers Wednesday night, or we could see showers Thursday morning. Again, a lot of details to hash out here, but we will keep you updated here at KETK as far as that Thanksgiving Day forecast goes and what we could expect for all of next week. But right now, it's below average temperatures. Highs will be in the 50s. Those lows forecasted to be in the 30s, and we are around freezing from tomorrow night all the way through Friday night, with those lows being in the lower 30s there. And then deep East Texas, similar trend, 50s across the board. We'll see those lows in the 30s and 40s. Neil, Casey?
Carson.